channel, it's Naya, and today I'm here with my cousin Sophia. Hey. And yesterday I was just trying to figure out like what to upload on Sunday, and I had no idea, and I was like, I've never done slime before, and Sophia's like, neither have I, and so I was like, let's make slime for the first time on video, because it's been like a huge trend on YouTube, and I've just never done it like ever, and neither has she, like, and we've been wanting to do it because obviously it's very popular right now. I'm making it with my puppy, little Pipsqueak. And we have all our stuff here to make just, I think we're making the puffy slime. I think that's what I found on Pinterest. So, I need the directions.
This is very interesting. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited right now. I don't think you understand that.
Okay, it says pour enough glue into the bottom of the container to cover the bottom. Make the glue about 1/4 an inch deep. Okay, we have our bowls. Hopefully you guys can see it a little. Oh, I was gonna take the lid off.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
We got our glue. Okay, mix food coloring into glue.
Okay, I'm gonna add later. Okay.
And all we have is red food coloring because, yeah, that's all we have. She put a couple drops. It says, chew. I don't know, I'm just gonna wing it.
Well, yours is gonna turn out so red.
I
Look,
want it to be pink.
mine is gonna be, oh, like baby pink. Mine's perfect.
Mine's gonna be a hot pink. It kind of is.
It looks like the bowl. Oh my god.
Oh, the smell is so strong.
Mine's perfect. Okay.
Mine is perfect.
Hers is like a lot more red than mine.
Yeah, mine's like really dark. Mix food coloring into glue, add about 1.5 as much shaving cream as glue. Again, wait for me. Okay, now we're just gonna put a bunch of shaving cream.
Take it up a lot.
I'm legit so excited. Now we're just mixing it. I'm sure you guys have seen tons of videos on how to make slime.
Can I have some more food coloring?
Oh, see, watch. Mine is gonna end up perfect because it lightened up because of the shower cream or shaving cream.
Naya, you got something wrong.
Look how pretty!
Did yours come out baby pink? It did.
Oh,
Or
it's
like
so pretty.
Okay, but
Add contact solution about 1 tablespoon at a time. I'm just gonna squirt it. I'm excited. This is like the main part, right?
yeah, this is like when it starts getting
Like thick?
real. Yeah.
Okay.
My mom just threw the cat.
I've never seen anyone do it like that though. Okay, we just put the contact solution in, so hopefully it starts thickening. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Look at it, it's so pink and prettyful. It's starting to thicken.
Yeah.
Lit.
This is so cool. I cannot believe we've never made slime.
I know.
How are we human?
I wonder when we can start touching it. What does it say? Adding a little more contact solution, mixing until the slime begins forming into a ball-like form. It's starting. Oh, mine's starting. I feel like I could actually start taking mine out. I'm gonna put it on the table.
Oh, maybe I might want to get some more in here. I'm not need it.
What the heck? Why have we never made it?
I don't know. It's so easy
It's
too.
it's slime!
You're
Oh.
like a little kid.
Oh. Maybe I do need more contact solution. Knead it in. Oh, it's not sticking to the table anymore. That's a good sign.
It's always a good sign.
Oh my goodness, I've watched so many videos of like slime and now I understand.
I need more solution. A lot more.
I want to get it to the point where it literally doesn't stick, if that even happens.
Okay, I still need more solution.
Oh no, cap is in it. It's so much fun.
I know.
That was so fast too.
No, this is easy.
Put more.
I don't think you guys understand how freaking awesome this really feels.
Yeah, definitely recommend for everyone. This is great.
Yeah.
And it's so cheap. Like literally glue, shaving cream, and contact solution. Each is under like $2. It's getting better. It's not sticking to my hands.
Are you serious? Okay, I think I just need more then.
No, it's not sticking to my hands as much. Look at that. That's raw. Raw. I haven't used that word in a while. Raw. It's raw.
Oh god, it's crying off my hands now.
This isn't that messy. This is how the video ended. First time making slime, we succeeded.
No, I did. Baby pink. Naya!
Naya!
What?
I put a lot of contact solution.
Naya! Naya!
That was fun! High five for fun! I want to see Piper's reaction. Look, what's this? She's just smelling it. Clap if you like slime. Clap if you like slime. So that is me and Sophia's first time making slime. That was so much fun.
No, I want to do it more often.
Me too. I actually have other videos with slime planned out. I don't want to make this like a slime channel where everything is slime, but it's just so much fun.
Like, how can you not want to make slime like all the time?
Yeah. And like I was on Pinterest and there was so many different ones and I kind of want to do them all. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed us making this video. I just thought it was a fun video to make. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and thumbs this video up if you want Sophia to be in more videos. And don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos on my channel. Don't forget that bell if you also want to be notified every time I post videos, which is Wednesdays and Sundays now. And yeah, why is my slime flying?
Naya!
I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Slim.